Hello students, I hope you all have understood the topics covered in the previous video. So students, let us step further. When Delhi Sultanate established, it was just confined to the garrison town. Now you all must be thinking, what is garrison town? So let us understand that first. Children around Delhi, an area was formed where soldiers used to live and was highly fortified. That means it was used as a defensive mark, and the sultans rarely went beyond this area. This area was the garrison town. Later, rule was not just limited, but it expanded to become an empire. So, in today's lecture, we would learn how it became an empire. So students, initially sultans had no major control over hinterlands. Now a question must be arising in your mind that what is hinterland? Hinterland is the area around garrison towns or main area where other tribes also lived. So we can say that it was the area adjacent to city. Also it was the port that supplied the city with goods and services. So Delhi sultans were dependent upon hinterlands for supplies. So they didn't have a direct control but opted for trade, tribute or plunders. Right? So sultans decided to expand the rule, but there were many problems. Let us discuss that. Sultan made garrison towns in Bengal and Sindh along with Delhi, which had a distance issue, which means they were very far from each other. So when they moved, locals and governors became rebellious. Secondly, when wars happened, it was very difficult for them to fight by staying in garrison towns. Thirdly, bad weather conditions could disturb the communication. Furthermore, Delhi's authority was also challenged by Mongol invasion from Afghanistan. And due to all these things, consolidation was very important, which means whole area should be under control for better rule to avoid all the problems, right? So how did consolidation occur? This happened in the rule of Ghiyasuddin Balban and later expanded by Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq. This expansion occurred on two fronts, internal frontiers and external frontiers. How this expansion occurred would be discussed in the next segment.